In front of me I've got a Burstner C540 Skyline camper van. Now the advantage of the 540 is you can't get any smaller than this, and this vehicle here will cost under 70,000 euros. So you've got the tent in the roof, accessed via this ladder. As we come in, you've got a widthwise bed at the back, you've got plenty of storage below, you've got a washroom with a harmonica door, I think that's what they're called, and lots of space inside. It's only 540 centimeters, this vehicle. Look at that, I can't get in here. A lot of space I've got in here. And over here we've got the washroom, the kitchen, 2 burners and a sink. It's got storage below, and we've got a little wardrobe here. Now this is a tiny camper. It qualifies for a tiny camper. Now for me, a camper must be self-contained. It must have a toilet. Showers are less important, but it must have a toilet, and otherwise it's a car. And then there's problems with the parking of the things. So this is the smallest you can get, and it's a tiny camper. This will be able to park it in just about anywhere really. Not the floor plate, the footprint is slightly larger of course than the car because it's wider, but there's plenty of cars of this size as well. Let's have a look in the tent in the roof whilst we're here. The tent is giving lots of lot of view through this net. Anyway, so Scampio C Sky calls itself a stylish all-rounder. The fridge is found here. It's one of these clever ones that opens both ways. It opens that way. Fridge and freezer. Just to make the point, it opens this way as well. And let's come round to the back. I see all this storage here as well. This of course will lift up as you'd expect in any vehicle. We've got space here for 2 gas cylinders will go in there, and so heating is obviously via gas, but unless it's really cold, that'll last you for a very long time, except in the tent and the roof of course. And I even like the colour. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and bye for now.